Have you ever wished there was a way to keep your home clean without feeling completely exhausted and overwhelmed? If you have, you're definitely not alone. Life is busy enough, and keeping up with household chores can be a challenge, especially for seniors, those with mobility issues, or anyone dealing with chronic pain. But what if cleaning didn't have to be so tiring? What if there were simple, smart hacks that made it easier? Today, I'm going to share 10 genius cleaning tricks designed specifically for those who need a little extra help, and for anyone who just wants to clean smarter, not harder. From simple adjustments that save energy, to tricks that reduce strain on your body, these easy-to-do tips will make a huge difference. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Rinse dishes immediately. One of the hardest parts about doing dishes is that stuck-on food. It can take forever to scrub it off, and by the time you get to it, the task feels insurmountable. But here's the secret. Rinse your dishes immediately after use. A quick rinse under warm water removes food residue before it hardens, saving you from all that scrubbing later. Imagine being able to sit down with your tea or coffee, knowing that your dishes will be easy to clean when you're ready. It's a small habit, but one that changes everything. Margaret, an 80-year-old widow, used to dread doing dishes after dinner, but once she started rinsing and soaking them immediately, her cleaning time was cut in half. No more stress, just a simple, easy solution. Hack number 2. Use small bottles for cleaning products. If lifting heavy cleaning products or squeezing stiff spray bottles feels like too much, you're not alone. The good news is that there's a much easier way. Simply transfer your cleaning products into smaller spray bottles. It makes them so much lighter and easier to handle. No more straining your hands or arms. It's such a small change, but it has a huge impact on how you feel after cleaning. John, a 72-year-old retiree, found that he could finally clean without pain once he switched to smaller spray bottles. Now, he keeps a bottle in every room, making cleaning easier and more efficient. Hack number 3. Use microfiber cloths for dusting. Dusting doesn't have to be an endless cycle of wiping and wiping again. Microfiber cloths are your new best friend. They grab dust, dirt, and even bacteria without spreading it around. You don't need to wipe the same spot multiple times, and they're gentle enough not to scratch delicate surfaces. Helen, 78, used to dread dusting because of her arthritis. But now, with just a light touch, her house stays dust-free for longer. It's quick, it's simple, and it doesn't cause pain. Hack number 4. Baking soda for a chemical-free clean. When it comes to cleaning, sometimes the simplest solutions are the best. Baking soda is not only affordable, but it's a natural and powerful cleaner. Whether it's removing grease from the kitchen counter or freshening up your carpets, baking soda can do it all. No harsh chemicals, no fumes, just a safe and gentle way to clean. Grace, a 75-year-old grandmother, used to struggle with cleaning products that made her eyes water. Now, she uses baking soda for everything, from scrubbing the stove to eliminating odors. It's one of her most trusted tools. Hack number 5. Organize laundry baskets for easier sorting. Laundry day can be exhausting, especially with all the bending, lifting, and sorting. But there's a way to make it easier. Instead of waiting until your laundry basket is full, try pre-sorting clothes as you go. Use separate baskets for whites, colors, and delicates. When laundry day comes, everything's ready to go, and you don't have to spend time bending and lifting. Josephine, 78, found that organizing her laundry this way saved her from constant bending and lifting. Now, she just rolls her cart to the washer, and the work is a breeze. Hack number 6. Use a folding laundry cart. No one should have to strain their back and arms with heavy laundry baskets. A folding laundry cart with wheels can be a game changer. It makes moving clothes from room to room painless and much easier on your body. Josephine, 78, found that using a folding cart was life-changing. No more sore arms or back pain. It's just as simple as rolling the cart into the laundry room and unloading. Hack number 7. Use small, easy-to-access trash bins. Taking out the trash may seem like a small task, but for seniors, it can be surprisingly tiring. Carrying heavy bags or walking back and forth can be a lot. The solution is simple. Place small, lightweight trash bins around your home. They make cleaning up so much easier, and you won't have to walk as much. Rose, 78, used to put off cleaning because of the strain. But with small bins in every room, she finds tidying up is quicker and requires less effort. Hack number 8. Break cleaning into smaller chunks. Cleaning an entire house can feel overwhelming, especially if you're tired or dealing with pain. But the secret to keeping your home clean without feeling exhausted is simple. Break it down into smaller chunks. Focus on one small task each day, and your house will stay tidy with minimal effort. Arthur, 79, used to get frustrated trying to clean everything at once. Now, he does just one thing a day, and his home stays neat and welcoming. No more stress, no more exhaustion. Hack number 9. Use a light coat of dusting spray. Dusting can feel endless, but there's a way to make it last longer and make cleaning easier. A light coat of dusting spray on your furniture repels dust, so you won't have to clean as often. Nancy, 70, no longer has to dust every day. Her furniture stays cleaner for longer, and dusting is quicker than ever. Hack number 10. Keep a consistent cleaning routine. A clean home doesn't need to be an overwhelming project. The key is consistency. Spend just 10 to 15 minutes a day on a small task, and your home will stay clean without the stress. Charles, 73, used to get overwhelmed by the mess. Now, he follows a simple daily routine. His home stays clean, and he never feels exhausted. If you're finding these tips helpful, please take a moment to like this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any of your own cleaning hacks. Drop them in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content like this. Your engagement helps us keep creating valuable videos for you. Conclusion. Cleaning doesn't have to drain your energy or make you feel overwhelmed. With these simple, smart tips, you can keep your home clean with less effort, more ease, and without the strain. You deserve a home that's clean, comfortable, and stress-free. So which hack will you try first? If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe for more helpful hacks. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us create more content just like this. Let's keep this conversation going in the comments. What's your favorite cleaning hack? Or do you have one we should add to the list? Like, subscribe, and share your comments. We love hearing from you.